Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable secure boot so Battlefield 6 can run on Windows 11. First, press the Windows key and type System Information. Open the app and look for Secure Boot State. If it says On, you are ready to play. If it says Off, follow these steps. Press the Windows key again and type Advanced Startup. Click Change Advanced Startup Options. In the new window, select Restart Now. Your computer will restart to a blue screen with more options. Choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart. Your computer will open the BIOS menu. In the BIOS, look for a tab called Boot or Security. Find Secure Boot and set it to Enabled. If you see a choice between Legacy and UEFI, select UEFI. After that, save and exit. Once Windows loads again, open System Information one more time. Now the secure boot state should say On. After this step, Battlefield 6 will detect secure boot, and the game should start without issues. That is the full process to turn on secure boot in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.